Hello, this is Cochise Pearson, and I am focusing on the Los Angeles wildfires, which started on January 7 of 2025. And before I delve into this topic, I would like for you, if you haven't done so already, and this is your first time, hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this content, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Unfortunately, Los Angeles residents are going through a horrific ordeal. There has been a reported up to 30 people who have died due to the Los Angeles wildfires, and one factor is because of the powerful, strong winds. And the governor actually issued an executive order for people to evacuate, tens of thousands of people, and they have lost their homes, including famous Hollywood celebrities such as Paris Hilton, Heidi Montag, Spencer Pratt, and others. And at this time, over 14,000 acres of land have been burned to the ground. And it is just a very sad situation because we have literally tens of thousands of people who are displaced, and many of those people do not have anywhere to go. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, she stated that she is in a process regarding her administration to immediately start the rebuilding process. And it is so unfortunate that we have very, very shady insurance companies. Insurance companies have canceled policies for LA residents, and this is an absolutely terrible outcome for people who have been paying a premium for years. And now all of a sudden, because of the shady, unsavory insurance companies, they will not get a dime for their home. But you know, there are people who are speaking up, such as the powerful movie mogul Tyler Perry, and he is just very disgusted. And he says, he was, watching, television, and he noticed, this daughter, holding a water hose to protect her home. And he states, watching a daughter use a garden hose to try and protect her 90-year-old parents' home because their insurance was canceled was just gut-wrenching to me, Perry said. Does anyone else find it appalling that insurance companies can take billions of dollars out of communities for years and then all of a sudden be allowed to cancel millions of policies for the very people they became rich on? And that is just a terrible shame. Those executives at the insurance companies, all of whom should go to jail. I don't understand why we have a loophole in the law that give these people the liberty to cancel insurance policies. Tyler Perry, he also asserted people who have paid premiums all of their lives are left with nothing because of pure greed. He added, as I am in the process of trying to figure out what steps to take to do all I can to help as many as I can, I am keeping everyone in my prayers. And I say, everyone who is watching this video, I want you to do the same. Let's pray for these people in Los Angeles. Let's pray for them to recover emotionally and hopefully financially. But also, I want to report that there is some very disgusting behavior in Los Angeles regarding fire looters, people who are breaking into homes and just stealing valuables. There was one man caught with over $200,000 worth of valuables. And there were others who were caught on a Ring camera. I'm talking about in a neighborhood of $1 million homes. And fortunately, people were able to have like the videotape, and those individuals were caught. And this is a shame, people. So again, please make sure that you pray for everyone who is impacted due to the fire. And again, my name is Cochise Pearson. And if you haven't done so already, I want you to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and check out my recap on the Los Angeles wildfires. Thank you.